Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to create international TikTok account. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you won't miss any of these steps. First up, open your TikTok app on your mobile device and then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Once you are on your profile page, as you can see here, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right hand corner of your screen. Once you tap on the three lines at the top right, basically you'll find this option. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Under the Settings and Privacy, tap on the Privacy section. Now under your privacy, you want to tap on this Location Services. So as you can see here, manage the location information TikTok uses to personalize your experience. So we're going to tap on this Location Services. And here you have two options under the permission settings. While using, will use your device location to improve post you see and ads experience while you use TikTok. Or you want to tap on never, will estimate your approximate location based on your system, carrier information, and IP address. So in this case, I'm going to select never. And then here, you just need to tap on the open settings. Now it will open up your app info on your phone settings. So here you just need to scroll down a bit and tap on app permissions. Under the app permissions, select on location. Once you select on location, you just have to tap on don't allow. Once you've done this one, you want to open your VPN. Any VPN that you are going to use, and then you just have to select any of the location or region. So once you select any of the location or other country or region, you can now basically go back to the option while using. So once you tap on while using, then you have just created an international account on TikTok. And that's it. That's how you basically create international account on TikTok. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.